Alright, so customer complaint is the lid lock broke right here. And I think she said the lid. Make sure it's correct. Alright, so we're about to change out the lid lock. Go in and grab the part from outside. So now we gotta take off all these screws so we can lift it up. Alright, so it was clicking a few times. That's good, man. Alright, so we got to disassemble. We may have to take all the wires off because sometimes on this particular unit it doesn't come apart like the other ones. So yeah. Alright, so we got to lift it up as we can see. So now we just got to remove that clip. Spread it to take off that top part. Then slide over this and just go down here. Alright, so this is the new lock that's going in. Alright, so we got the new one in, so now we just got to put it back together. This is the old one. Like I said, it cracked right there. So, it broke. So we're getting ready to calibrate it. Alright. Hit the middle one. And let it calibrate. Alright, so now it's just going through the calibration mode right now. Alright, so we see the lid is locked. And it's still the calibration part, so it's almost done.